Hi, this is Brian. I'm Kern from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I am in East Hampton, and I'm in the backyard of this house. I'm doing existing condition drawings of the house, of the floor plans and the exterior elevations. There's a pool back here that's covered. I'll walk you around front. It's a nice neighborhood. It's still semi-undeveloped, which you'll see in a minute from the land across the street. So there's some land back there. Typical Long Island pine barrens. And then here's the front. So this is where I'm at and what I'm working on today. Thank you for viewing my video. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's a house out east or something upstate or in the city, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video once again.